and grab
KFC,
today's Sunday, divine worship and
East LA,
get your
Kool-Aid,
get
KFC and watermelon.
police call will commence in 2 minutes.
Sir, yes, sir! Sir, yes, sir!
As soon as you finish your bunks, I want you to
Darkies,
between the head.
Sir, yes, sir!
I want that head
KFC,
squared away that the
Beats by Dre.
herself would be proud to go in there and take
Sir,
Sir, yes, sir!
you believe in
Beats by Dre.
Sir, no, sir!
I don't believe I heard you correctly.
Sir, the private said no, sir, sir!
Why, you little
Chicken,
you make me want to vomit. You goddamn
food stamp,
then you had best sound off that you love
Beats by Dre.
or I'm gonna stomp your
KFC and watermelon.
now you do love
Beats by Dre.
Sir, negative, sir!
Are you trying to offend me?
Sir, negative, sir! Sir, the private believes that any
Yes, Major.
he gives will be wrong, and the senior drill instructor will beat him harder if he p***s himself, sir!
Who's
KFC.
your leader, scumbag?
Sir, the private leader's private snow, sir!
Private Snow.
Sir, private snow, reporting his honor, sir!
Private Snow. You're fired. Promoted to
KFC,
later.
Sir, aye, aye, sir!
Yes, affairs.
Black Mayor,
Sir, aye, aye, sir!
Kaikisha,
Sir,
Kaikisha,
reporting his order, sir!
Kaikisha,
Now I'm as your new
KFC,
leader, and you will bunk with him. He'll teach you everything. He'll teach you how to
Sir, yes, sir!
Black Mayor,
but he's got guts, and guts is enough. Now you ladies carry on.
Sir, aye, aye, sir!